In this video, we listed the 5 best flip phone for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Original Honor V Purse 5G Folded Phone. The Original Honor V Purse 5G Folded Phone is an innovative smartphone that combines fashion-forward design with advanced technology. It features a 7.71-inch OLED folded screen, offering a seamless and immersive visual experience. This foldable device is powered by the Snapdragon 778G processor, ensuring smooth performance for both daily tasks and high-demand applications. The Honor V Purse emphasizes versatility with its 5G connectivity, providing fast internet speeds for streaming, browsing, and gaming. The 50MP camera allows users to capture high-quality photos and videos, making it ideal for content creators and photography enthusiasts. In terms of battery life, the phone is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage throughout the day. The phone's foldable design highlights its unique place in the smartphone market, as it functions as both a high-performance device and a stylish accessory. The sleek design and portability make it a standout option for those looking for a blend of luxury, innovation, and practicality. Product 2. Product name: Vivo X Fold 3 Smartphone. The new Vivo X Fold 3 smartphone is a cutting-edge device designed for users who seek advanced technology in a sleek, foldable form. Featuring an expansive 8.03-inch AMOLED display, the Vivo X Fold 3 delivers immersive visuals, making it ideal for media consumption, gaming, and multitasking. Powered by the high-performance Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, this smartphone ensures smooth operation, even for demanding applications. The 5500 mAh battery supports 80W supercharge, enabling rapid charging to keep users connected throughout the day. For photography enthusiasts, the 50MP main camera captures high-resolution images with excellent detail. Additional features include NFC for easy mobile payments and other wireless applications. This device aligns well with recent trends in high-performance smartphones, emphasizing foldable screens, fast charging, and powerful processing. Product 3. Product name: Huawei Mate X5 Fold Screen Smartphone. The Huawei Mate X5 Fold Screen Smartphone is a cutting-edge device that combines innovative folding screen technology with powerful performance and high-end features. It boasts a 7.85-inch foldable display, offering a large, immersive screen that can be compacted for portability. Powered by the Kirin 9000S chipset and running on Harmony OS 4.0, the Mate X5 provides a smooth and efficient user experience, rivaling flagship smartphones in performance and usability. Photography is another highlight, with a 50MP primary camera capable of capturing high-resolution photos and videos. The 5060 mAh battery ensures extended usage, making it ideal for heavy users who rely on their smartphones for multimedia, productivity, and gaming. This device stands out in the foldable phone market with its sleek design, advanced camera system, and robust software integration, making it a strong contender for users looking for a premium smartphone experience. Product 4. Product name: Google Pixel Fold 5G Smartphone. The Google Pixel Fold 5G smartphone is a cutting-edge foldable device powered by Google's Tensor G2 chipset, designed for performance and efficiency. It features a 120Hz foldable OLED display, offering smooth visuals and a versatile screen experience that combines the portability of a smartphone with the larger screen of a tablet when unfolded. The 48MP triple camera system ensures high-quality photography with sharp, detailed images, enhancing the overall mobile photography experience. Running on Android 13, the Pixel Fold integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, providing intuitive functionality, enhanced privacy, and frequent updates. With 5G connectivity, users can experience fast internet speeds, while the foldable design allows for a more flexible and compact form factor, making it a powerful and innovative choice for those seeking a premium Android smartphone with advanced capabilities. Product 5. Product name Motorola Moto Razr 40 Ultra 5G Smartphone. The Motorola Moto Razr 40 Ultra 5G smartphone is a cutting-edge, foldable device designed to deliver both innovation and nostalgia. This global version of the Moto Razr lineup features a 6.9-inch foldable OLED display, allowing for a sleek and compact design that folds in half, reminiscent of classic flip phones. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, the Moto Razr 40 Ultra offers impressive performance capabilities, making it suitable for high-speed tasks, multitasking, and gaming. It supports 5G connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds and reliable mobile performance across various networks. In terms of battery life, the phone comes equipped with a 3,800 mAh battery and supports 30W fast charging, enabling users to quickly recharge and stay connected throughout the day. The phone also features NFC, near-field communication, capabilities for contactless payments and quick pairing with other devices. Other standout features include OTA, over-the-air updates, for seamless software enhancements and an advanced folding screen technology, which provides a futuristic look while offering robust durability. The Moto Razr 40